Hello, my name is Milan Pak. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 001, AutoCAD selection of entities with command fence. Switch to AutoCAD. Selection of entities with command fence. You have to draw a line so that it intersects with entities. Then AutoCAD select all entities which are intersect with line. From menu Draw, choose command line and then left click in the drawing area to set first point of line, and then left click in the drawing area to set the second point of line. Left click, left click, left click, and finally press enter. From menu Draw, choose command circle and then select option Center Radius and then left click in the drawing area to set center point of circle and then write radius 50 millimeters in the command line and then press enter. From menu Modify, choose command Erase and then write command Fence